Hey guys, I'm Michael Allen, travelcoastarica.com, and I'm coming to you from my shower. Anyway, guys, the maintenance men, the handymen in Costa Rica suck major, major ass, and not in a good way. They do. They suck. And I before you think this video is I'm being Mike's being negative again. I'm hoping that people that actually live here or have lived here can comment on this video after what I'm about to say. I know they've had these same experiences. This is not an exception. Actually, it's probably closer to the rule. Now, the good thing is, stay to the end of this video. So before you think I'm being negative, I guarantee by the end of this video, this is going to be positive, very positive. So stay to the end. All right. So anyway, guys, this is how it happens. You come down here, you move down here. You're in a rental property, or maybe you're starting a new house, and you need some light maintenance work done. You need some painting, a wall painted, light electrical work, some shelves built or something. And you ask your Tico friend, and they say, "Yeah, I got my uncle does that, my cousin does that, no problem. I'll send them over." And you're like, "Cool, no problem." They come over and you say, "Hey, I want that wall painted," and you're like, "That's pretty straightforward, a wall painted." And they go, "Cool, I'll do it." So you come back, they're done, they finish, and they go, "Hey, I'm done." And you're like, they painted around the wall sockets in a picture on your wall. They didn't even take it down. They just painted around it. You see splash marks on your ceiling, splash marks on your artwork. And man, you seriously, you think it's a joke. Then you look a little closer and come to find out they cut your expensive paint with water. And you're like, you're kidding me, right? This is a joke. No, man, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. Check this out. This looks like a caulking gun had diarrhea on my shower tiles. This was leaking, so I called a maintenance man, or the maintenance man for this house, and he's a maintenance man. He's not like an uncle that randomly does this. This is what he came up with. See it? It runs all the way down the shower. It doesn't leak anymore. So this is not the exception. I could show you in this house 20 to 50 things in this house alone, just shoddy ass work. Now, I've lived here 14 years, not just this house. I've lived in many places, and it's been I've seen this a million times. That's why I want you guys to comment. Now, that's why I'm just saying this video. It's just a warning. Obviously, they got people that do great work. Just get the recommendation from another gringo. You got to remember, they're very practical and functional people here. So when you say fix the electrical and they just have a cord draped all the way down the center of your wall, it's hooked to your TV, but you can see it and it's like ugly. They're thinking it works, right? Your TV works, doesn't it? So that's kind of how they look at everything. So you need to get your recommendation from Gringo, or you have somebody come over, maybe do a small project, and you go, I like this guy, he does good work, I'll have him. That's it. And this even applies to your landscaping. You'll be like, hey, can you trim and maybe mow the lawn? You come out, man, they'll have whacked your rose bushes, man. They'll just have chopped them down, and you're like, are you kidding, right? This is a joke. So yeah, a warning, man. They should maybe, I don't know if they have Yelp down here, but man, they could use it, man, because this can really cost you some money and some serious frustration. Especially if you're leaving the house and maybe you want the whole house painted, or you want some serious work done, and you come back, man, and they're gonna look at you funny. They don't understand, if something is functional or it's working. You asked for me to paint the wall. I painted the wall. So what if there's paint on the ceiling and paint on the floor and paint everywhere and whatever? They don't really see it the, the way we do. But anyway, guys, guess what? See this? It doesn't bother me. This would have, I wouldn't have been able to sleep at night a little bit of time ago. I would have saw this and I couldn't sleep. I had to get up, take all this off, fix it so it's seamlessly that you can't see it. That's how I was. And I'm not saying you should accept shoddy work, but this does not bother me in the least. I know Costa Rica probably didn't mean to teach me this with their shoddy ass maintenance, but it does. So I almost like that my house is kind of like this. My house doesn't define me. It doesn't say who I am. I don't mind this. I don't sweat the small stuff anymore. It's kind of nice. I'm stress-free about this. This would have killed me, seriously. A creak in a ceiling fan would have killed me. I wanted things to look right, be right. So, but anyway, I just, living a simple life, a lot more stress free, and I gotta say, man, I love it. So this stuff, I don't mind it. Anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen, travelcostarica.com. Peace, guys. Hope it helps. Hey, man, things are gonna pop up, other videos. I'd be cool if you could subscribe. I guess I got this bell. You hit this bell, and then you can be notified when I have a video, or that would be great if you share the videos. Actually, forget all that. Why don't you just donate? Give me money. That would be better. Just kidding. Guys, laters.